Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download GeForce Experience on laptop and PC. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to the specific website, which is https://en-us/geforce/experience. So basically this is what it looks like, and you should see this NVIDIA application. And you should also see this download button right here. In order for you to simply download this, you have to tap on download. Make sure that you have huge storage on your PC. Go to your download, and then you have to simply right click this and then tap on run as administrator. Wait as it is processing. Now you have to make sure also that you have meet the requirements in order for you to have or to get this application or platform. So it's important that you know the NVIDIA app system requirement. You have to check everything here. And if you haven't met this requirement, then NVIDIA will not be downloaded to your PC or laptop. So make sure that you have meet the requirements and then open the NVIDIA application or tool right here. So basically that's how easy it is to download GeForce Experience on laptop and PC. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.